Donald Trump is one of the most famous people in the world. His life is full of big successes, dramatic challenges, and surprising comebacks. Whether you know him as a businessman, a TV star, or the 45th President of the United States, there is always something interesting to learn about him. Today, let's dive deep into his story using simple English and add more details and fun facts to make this journey even more exciting. Donald Trump's early life. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. He was the fourth of 5 children in a wealthy family. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate businessman who built houses and apartments for middle-class families. Growing up, Donald had a strong personality and lots of energy. He often got into trouble at school, so his parents sent him to the New York Military Academy when he was just 13 years old. At the academy, Donald learned discipline, leadership, and responsibility. It was tough at first, but he eventually thrived. He became a student leader and even played sports like baseball and soccer. Many believe this experience helped shape his bold and competitive personality. After high school, Donald decided to follow in his father's footsteps in business. He studied economics at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, one of the top business schools in the United States. He graduated in 1968, ready to take on the business world. Starting in business after finishing college, Donald joined his father's real estate business, Elizabeth Trump and Son. At first, he worked on small projects, like renting apartments in Brooklyn and Queens, but Donald had bigger dreams. He wanted to expand the business and work on larger, more luxurious projects. His first major success came in the 1970s when he renovated the Commodore Hotel in Manhattan and turned it into the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project was a huge success and made Donald Trump a rising star in the real estate world. He didn't stop there. In 1983, he built the Trump Tower on 5th Avenue in New York City. This skyscraper became a symbol of luxury and power, with its gold-colored design and high-end shops and apartments. Did you know the Trump Tower's atrium is open to the public? You can walk in and see its shiny marble walls and fountains. Building a business empire, Trump continued to grow his business, expanding into casinos, hotels, and even golf courses. In the 1980s, he opened the Trump Plaza Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City, New Jersey. By the 1990s, he owned the Trump Taj Mahal, which was the largest casino in the world at the time. But success wasn't always easy. The 1990s brought financial troubles for Trump. Some of his businesses, including his casinos, went bankrupt. Many people thought he would lose everything. But Donald Trump is known for his resilience. He negotiated with banks and rebuilt his empire. By the early 2000s, he was back on top, with his name associated with luxury and success. Trump as a media star. In 2004, Donald Trump became a TV star with his reality show, The Apprentice. In the show, contestants competed in business challenges, and Trump decided who would stay and who would leave. His catchphrase, "You're fired," became famous around the world. The show ran for over a decade and helped Trump gain even more fame. Fun fact: did you know that The Apprentice helped Donald Trump earn a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame? He received it in 2007 for his contributions to television. The show also inspired spin-offs in different countries, proving Trump's global influence. Family and personal life. Donald Trump's personal life is just as interesting as his professional one. He has been married 3 times. His first wife, Ivana Trump, was a model and businesswoman from the Czech Republic. Together, they had 3 children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. Ivana played a big role in helping Trump grow his business empire. After divorcing Ivana, Trump married Marla Maples, an actress, and they had 1 daughter, Tiffany. His third and current wife is Melania Trump, a model from Slovenia. They have 1 son, Baron, who is fluent in Slovenian. Fun fact: Melania Trump was only the second First Lady in U.S. history born outside the country. Trump's children are very involved in his business. Ivanka, for example, worked as an executive in the Trump Organization and even launched her own fashion brand. Donald Jr. and Eric also play key roles in managing the family business. The journey to the presidency in 2016, Donald Trump shocked the world by running for President of the United States. Many people didn't take his campaign seriously at first, but Trump proved them wrong. He won the Republican nomination and then defeated Hillary Clinton in the general election to become the 45th president. Trump's presidency focused on economic growth, immigration reform, and foreign relations. He introduced tax cuts, renegotiated trade deals, and pushed for stricter immigration policies. But his time in office was also filled with controversies. He was impeached twice by the House of Representatives, once for allegedly pressuring Ukraine to investigate a political rival and another for his role in the January 6 Capitol riot. However, the Senate acquitted him both times, and he completed his term in 2021. Challenges and resilience. Like in his business career, Trump faced many challenges in politics. The 2020 election was especially difficult as he lost to Joe Biden after a heated campaign. Trump refused to accept the results, claiming the election was unfair, which led to debates and investigations. Despite this, Trump remains a major figure in politics, and many believe he will run for president again in 2024. Fun fact: Trump is the first U.S. president who never served in the military or held political office before becoming president. Global influence and legacy. Even after leaving the presidency, Donald Trump's influence hasn't faded. His name is recognized worldwide, appearing on buildings, golf courses, and even products like bottled water and ties. Did you know that the Trump brand extends to countries like Turkey, the Philippines, and India? Whether you admire him or not, Donald Trump's life is a story of ambition, challenges, and resilience. He's a person who has always aimed for the top, no matter the obstacles in his way. So, what do you think about Donald Trump's journey? His life is full of big wins, tough losses, and surprising comebacks. It shows that persistence and bold decisions can lead to extraordinary results. If you enjoyed learning about his story in easy English, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next story.